What if I told you the biggest revolution in cancer treatment didn't come from Silicon Valley, but from inside your own body? Welcome to Future Forward, where modern science, human resilience, and innovation collide. If you're someone who believes that healthcare should be smarter, faster, and more humane, you're in the right place. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and join curious minds across the globe, from New York to Nairobi, Shanghai to Sheffield. Because what you're about to hear could save a life. Imagine waking up with pain in your back only to discover that it's not a pulled muscle, but multiple myeloma, a type of blood cancer that slowly eats away at your bones from the inside out. Meet Paul Silvester, 60 years old, history buff, father of 3, and survivor. "It broke bones in my spine," Paul recalls. And just like that, life split into a before and an after. Myeloma affects over 33,000 people in the UK alone. It can't be cured, and for decades, treatment came at a brutal cost. Toxic chemotherapy, endless isolation, months spent in a bedroom away from family. But what if there was another way? A treatment that attacked the cancer, not the patient. Because for Paul, time wasn't just precious. It was vanishing. Enter the Trojan Horse to NO, not the Greek myth. Although the metaphor fits perfectly, a new NHS-approved therapy that tricks cancer cells into letting their killer inside. This therapy is called belantamab mafodotin, a smart chemotherapy attached to an antibody. Instead of flooding the whole body with poison, it zeroes in on plasma cells, the ones responsible for myeloma. Think of it like a heat-seeking missile, guided by precision, not luck. Wait, what if this isn't just about cancer? What if this is about how we treat disease, period? Because the Real revolution isn't just the drug, it's the idea. Within weeks, I was in remission, Paul says, smiling. Instead of months in isolation, I'm hiking with my family. This therapy comes with significantly fewer side effects than traditional chemotherapy. While some patients may experience dry eyes or blurred vision, these are minor compared to the overwhelming, full-body impact of older treatments. It was developed by GSK in the UK, clinically tested in London, and now it's being delivered through the NHS, marking a world first in cancer care. But how does this really compare to traditional treatments? And what does the future look like? Hold that thought. Here's what you need to know. Previous treatments held myeloma back for 13 months. This new Trojan Horse therapy? Nearly 3 years of freedom. That's not a delay. That's life reimagined. For Paul, that means visiting Hadrian's Wall, watching his daughter graduate, waking up pain-free, with energy, purpose, and time. And according to experts at the NHS and Institute of Cancer Research, we're approaching a functional cure, long-term remission above 50% in the next 5 years. This isn't just a medical upgrade. It's a philosophical shift, from fighting cancer blindly to outsmarting it strategically. And the best part? This isn't only for the wealthy or the lucky. It's publicly available through the NHS. The Trojan Horse didn't just enter cancer cells, it stormed the gates of outdated medicine. That if Paul Silvester can go from broken bones to historical adventures, what's stopping us from rewriting the story for every cancer patient? So tell us, if you had the chance to help someone live longer, better, freer, would you take it? Backhand index pointing right, hit like, comment with Trojan Horse if this inspired you, and share it with someone you love. Subscribe now. And if you're ready for more medical marvels, check out our next video, CRISPR and the Cure Code, editing DNA to erase disease, link on screen now. Until then, this is Future Forward, where we don't just watch change happen, we follow it.